start to the second part of the trigonometry class, and the right hand side of the board I have written all the basic formulas and table for memorizing. It will be required repeatedly, and left hand side there are 5 problems. It will be solved in this class. First, you have to remember the Pythagoras theorem. In the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square, and thus next on the fundamental identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta equal to cos square theta. Again we are remembering the cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, that is cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, and sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta, that is sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So we are writing the cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Again about the table, then sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60 and sin 90. The value is 0 or sin 30 half, and sin 30 45 equal to 1 by root 2, or sin 60 that is pi by 3 equal to root 3 by 2, and sin 90 equal to 1. If we write the entire the table of sin in the reverse order in the cos line, then we will get the value cos 0 equal to 1, cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2, and cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2, cos 60 equal to half, and cos 0 equal to 0. So then from the sin and cos are the basic ratios. With the help we can find out the value of trigonometrical value related to the angle tan, cosec, sec and cot. But I am giving a clue for a memorizing that how can we prepare. We are repeatedly saying the sin values are this. What? How can we memorize this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything is written. So what is this? It is table number 1. It is 0 equal to 1, for our purpose equal to 2, equal to 3 and equal to 4. So sin 0 equal to 0 by 4 of root over this word 0. Sin 0 is 0, that is it is 0, 1, 2, it is 0, 0 column, first column, second column, third column and the fourth column. For the find out the value of sin 0, 0 divided by 4 root over of this equal to 0, and the sin 30, what is the column number of this? Column number is 1, that is 1 by 4 root over equal to half. Now sin 45, column number is 2, so we are writing sin 45 degree equal to 1 by what? It is 0 by 1, that is equal to 2 by 4. 2 by 4 equal to this equal to 1 by 2 equal to 1 by root 2. Thereafter we are going to sin 60 degree. It is column number 3. Write down here. Then sin 60 degree equal to, what is the column number? It is 3, and divided by 4, then root over of this equal to root 3 by 2. Now we are going to sin 90. Sin 90 equal to 90 degree equal to, what is this? Column number is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 by root 4, root over is this, equal to root over 1 equal to 1. That means my purpose is how we can find out the value of the sine. If we know the sine, then we will get cos. If I know the sine and cos are the basic ratio of trigonometries, we will get tan sine by cos. Then we will get cosec 1 by sine. Then we will get sec 1 by cos, and there will be cot cos by sine. Again I am giving the way of remembering. If you forget, you can calculate by your own. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sine 0 equal to 0 by 4 root over equal to 0. Then sine 30 equal to, it is the column number. What is the column number is sine 30? Sine 30 column number is 1. That is 1 by 4 root over of this equal to half. Then sine 45 degree. Column number is 2 divided by 4 root over of this 1 by root 2. Then sine 60. Column number is 3 divided by 4 equal to root over by 2. And sine 90 is the column number 4 divided by 4 equal to 1 root over of 1 equal to 1. That means any time if we forget, any moment we can calculate the all value if we know the way of calculation of the sine related to the specific values of the sine, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Thereafter we can take the value or get the value of cos, and if we know the sine and cos, we will get tan, cosec, sec and cot. That means we are again memorizing the that is Pythagoras theorem, fundamental identities, then reciprocals of the all trigonometrical function, then table and the way of calculation of value of the specific degree related to all trigonometrical ratios. Now there are 5 problems. I want to get it solved before all of you, so that we will get a concept how can we solve the trigonometrical problem. Now I am doing or solving problem number 1, problem number 2, problem number 3, problem number 4 and 5. Now problem number 1. Now I am going to solve the problem P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Now solving P1, then one by one I will solve the problem. And P1, tan theta is given 4 by 5. You have to find out the all remaining trigonometrical ratios value for sin theta, cos theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Now the easiest way to solve or solution problem number 1, tan theta is given 3 by 4. So we are drawing a triangle A, B and C, and theta is the angle of inclination between hypotenuse and base. It is the base here, or it is indicating the perpendicular. What is the tan theta? We know what is tan theta. Tan theta equal to what? Tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. We are writing perpendicular by base. Base equal to 4. So now we are taking the help of now the Pythagoras theorem. We are taking hypotenuse square equal to AC square equal to 3 square plus 4 square. Now we are getting, what we are getting, that is AC square equal to 9 plus 16. So AC square equal to then 25. Therefore, AC equal to root over 25. We are considering only positive value, even though we are getting the square root of this, because length cannot be negative. So it may be, we are not writing the units, it may be centimeter, decimeter, millimeter, whatever may be read, but the ratios from denominator and the numerator, the units will be cancelled. So now sin theta, what is the value of the sin theta? Sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse equal to 3 by 5. Then cos theta equal, please remember perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. Therefore, tan theta equal to, it is given, we are not again checking it, 3 by 5 by 4 by 5, tan theta equal to 4, 3 by 5, sorry, tan theta equal to given, sorry, it is 4, it is 3, because tan theta equal to base, then perpendicular upon base, so sin theta equal to, perpendicular by hypotenuse, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse, Now we are checking part, therefore tan theta equal to 4 by 5 upon 3 by 5 equal to 4 by 3. We are again checking now. So sin theta is done, cos theta is done, then cot theta. What is cot theta? It is the reciprocal of cot tan theta. Tan is 4 by 3, so it will be 3 by 4. Now we are going to, cot theta is over, then it is sec theta. What is sec theta? Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, then cos theta is 3 by 4, so 5 by 3 will be sec theta. Now again cosec theta, we are already written here, cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, that means cosec theta equal to what? Reciprocal of 5 by 4. That means we have calculated. There are so many sources for calculating, but we have taken the help of the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base and perpendicular square. Thereafter AC equal to 5, then 4 is the height or altitude of the triangle, and 3 is the base, and 5 is the hypotenuse. Now sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse, cot theta, tan theta is already given, even though we have make a try for verifying this, it is 4 by 3. So tan theta, if you reciprocate it, or then cot theta equal to 3 by 4. From the cosec theta we will get sec theta, and from the sin theta we will get cosec theta also. Okay, now we are solving the problem number 2. If tan A equal to this, you have to prove the sin A into cos A equal to 12 by 25. Now I am rubbing the board for solving problem number 2. Now, problem number 2, tan A equal to, in a state of theta in the problem given this, that is equal to, what is tan? Tan equal to this upon this. It is A angle, because when this angle is mentioned here, it is 90 degree, it is A angle, it is 90 degree minus A, or it is 90 degree. So, if we consider A, B and C, you have already given 3 and 4. When it is given 3 by 4, therefore, AC square equal to 4 square plus 3 square equal to, we are getting 16 plus 9 equal to AC square equal to, we are getting 25. Thereafter, we can write that is AC equal to root over of 25 equal to 5 units. So, we can find out it is 5. So, sin theta, sin A equal to what? This upon this. This means what? Altitude or perpendicular, 3 by 5. And cos A equal to what? 4 by 5. That means base by hypotenuse. Now you have to prove this. Right hand, sorry, it is left hand side equal to sin A and to cos A equal to 3 by 5 into 4 by 5. We are getting 12 by 25. Right hand side proved. Now we are going to problem number 3. Now I am giving an opportunity to do the both problem 4 and 5 by your own, and I will start the next class, that means part 3 from problem number 4 and 5, but all are requested, all students are requested to do both problem by their own effort. Okay, next class I will solve a lot of problems. Okay, bye.